Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dulce. In today's video, we'll do a Christmas wall decor DIY. Okay, the first thing you would do is to get the tags out of the way from the mini wreath or candle ring that I have there. I got that on the Dollar General. The glitter letters, you will find it at the Walmart section for the Christmas decor section. I just got a J and Y, so the mini wreath or candle holder thing that I have in the middle, it's gonna represent the O for, so I could spell joy. So like as you can see, I'm here like arranging the letters in the little mini wreath or candle holder, and just with hot glue. It's really easy and simple to make this DIY. For me, I think that I had done a great job, but I was measuring the things really wrong, and yeah, I think I put a J more on the right side than on the left, and didn't have a lot of space for the Y. So as you can see, I didn't know what to do now in that part, because I already have hot glued the mini candle holder that it was on the middle. So I'm just like, oh man, so how am I gonna do it? Is it right or not? But just see how I do it, because you will get it. It's really easy and simple, just hot gluing the letters in the mini wreath. Okay, in here I'm just trying to measure the ribbon. I got this ribbon at the 99-cent store. It's really cute. It has like bears, Christmas trees, and a moose. It has the buffalo check pattern, and I really love it. And when you measure the ribbon, you will flip the board and hot glue the little parts of the ribbon that are like extra on the back, so it will look like really straight and perfect. Not that perfect, right? But I try to make this thing as perfect as much I want it to be. But I really like how it turned out. It really came out really cute and adorable. Also will go along with all my buffalo check stuff that I have been buying at the 99 cents or at the Walmart and at the Dollar Tree, because Dollar Tree has a lot of buffalo check designs now at the store too. But yeah, let me just show you how the DIY came out.